here testing out water holes, the 850. And I went to check the time. No Apple Watch. So it's either on the trail or somewhere in here. Fudge. Gonna be around here somewhere. I've gone from one end to the other. Sounds like I'm getting pretty close. Don't wanna... Ah! Damn, son! Whew! God bless Apple and the Find My feature. Shout out Steve Jobs, or no, that was probably after him, but shout out Steve Jobs. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing a gasket seal on the airbox and the trunk box. Picked up a couple gaskets from Outsiders Motor Company, OMC, although you wouldn't know that unless you have a good memory. If you order a lot of stuff, you'll forget, because these guys ain't worried about branding, I'll tell you that. I got a manila envelope with some gaskets inside. Not a sticker, not a business card, not a receipt, not a anything. If it wasn't for that right there, I would have forgot who it was even from. So before I get the factory one off here, you can see I got some, I got some dirt in here. I've had this out for a few rides. Nothing crazy deep. I might have had it up to the trunk box, well, splashing around, but that'd be about it. So what I'm gonna do is just clean this out a little bit before I test it, and that way we can compare after. Get the factory seal off. You just grab the end here. It's just on. There's a little bit of adhesive, but not much. It's mostly a friction fit. So just pull that along, toss it into the abyss. Try this puppy. I don't think it matters a heck of a lot where you start from. Make sure you push it in tight, especially around the corners. Take your time. Make sure it fits properly. So once you get down to the bottom, I thought I was gonna cut it, so that's why I started at the top and kind of worked my way down. There's quite a bit of excess left over, so I think the best thing to do instead of cutting it, there's a hump here. I kind of push that in and then start working it back, so there's a little extra on each side. So I'm just gonna keep working that along until it's smoothed out a little bit. Anyway, that's it. Trunk box install, nice and chunky. So there's the factory seal. I mean, it looks all right. Compare it to this one. Peel this sucker off. Start it there. Start peeling. Gonna make sure it's clean. Put this old girl on. It's right on there. Now I've heard these are hard to lock in place by hand. Oh my God. Dang! You can't really hear it click, at least I didn't really hear it click, but there's the little unlock and lock, and my arrow is definitely now pointing at the lock. So she's on there. Well, that's it. You can see that's a nice thick gasket compared to the one that was on before. Nice tight. Trunk box ready to go. I cleaned it out a little bit. There might end up being a little dirt in there when we open it up later, but it's from the lid here. I didn't get too fussy cleaning that. So I'm sticking a paper in there, we can check it, see if it gets wet. So I got her submerged a little bit here. She's into the exhaust. Not quite into the trunk box there, am I? I'll have to back up a tiny bit more. Okay, we're in. Now we'll get out. I mean, it looks pretty dry in there, and I don't see any, I mean, that's right around the seal there. I don't know if it's because I don't have that squished down in there good enough, but seems to work pretty good. First test anyway. Can't really use my paper test because I opened up the trunk box in the lake to get the thumbnail. Splashed a little bit of water from the exhaust, so that could be what that little droplet or two is right there anyway. So I think what I'll do, I now got a couple little things I put on here. I got the trunk box, I got the air box, I painted this, and I got another little kind of install video coming up. So I think what I'll do is somewhere around midsummer, I'll post a little update, all these little minor things I've done to it. No major mods, but just the little things I've been trying on my own. That way I can give you guys an update of how they're working out. Maybe you'll really want to try them for yourself. If you already have, you got your fingers crossed like me. So like, comment, subscribe. hit all the little things, do all the little things. Stay tuned, more videos on the way. Spring's here, we're getting into some mud. Doesn't get any better than this, man.